Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs a quick fix for grooming, today's review is for you. We've got the Small Pig Face Brush, designed to be compact, portable, and versatile. If you've ever been frustrated with bulky brushes or wish for something easier to carry, this might just be the game changer you need. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more honest, expert reviews like this one. So, let's talk about the Small Pig Face Brush. This brush is specifically designed for quick touch-ups and precise cleaning, whether you're in the show ring or working with clipper blades. It's built with a practical 1-inch polypropylene bristle head that's not only soft, but also durable enough for all kinds of grooming tasks. The plastic handle is lightweight, measuring 5 inches in length, with a convenient pocket clip, making it easy to attach to your grooming kit or carry with you wherever you go. Now let's get into my hands-on experience with this little tool. When I first picked it up, I was impressed by how lightweight it felt. Definitely not something that would weigh down your bag or grooming kit. The bristles are soft, but still effective enough for cleaning and detail work. I used it for both cleaning clipper blades and doing a quick touch-up on my own hairline, and I found it easy to maneuver, even with my smaller hands. The clip on the back made it super easy to clip onto my bag, so I could grab it when needed. One thing I'll note is that while the size is perfect for quick tasks, it might not provide the coverage you'd get with larger brushes if you're trying to do a full grooming session. The compact size is great for on-the-go moments, but it's not a brush you'd use for more extensive tasks. I also appreciated how sturdy it felt. It's not going to snap under pressure, which is always important in a product like this. As for the pros, I'd say it's definitely the portability and practicality that stand out. The clip and compact design make it an ideal grooming tool for anyone who's constantly on the move or needs a tool for precision. The bristles are gentle, but still effective for light cleaning or touch-ups. It's also a very affordable option for what it offers. Perfect for people looking for something functional, but not overly expensive. On the flip side, the cons are that, because it's small, it's limited in what it can do in terms of full grooming. If you're looking for a brush to tackle bigger projects, this might not be the best fit. Also, the plastic handle is sturdy enough, but doesn't feel premium, so it's something to keep in mind if you're expecting a more luxurious grooming tool. So does it give you good value for your money? I'd say yes, if you need something compact and practical. It's priced well for what you get, especially if your primary goal is portability and convenience. However, if you're after something for more intense grooming, you might want to look elsewhere. In terms of alternatives, there are other brushes with similar portability, but they might not have the same durability or specific features like the pocket clip. There are larger grooming brushes out there that could offer more versatility, but they'll likely cost more and aren't as travel-friendly. To wrap it up, the Small Pig Face Brush is a great option for anyone looking for a compact, easy-to-carry grooming tool. It's not meant for heavy-duty use, but it excels in quick touch-ups and cleaning. If you need something lightweight that won't take up much space but still gets the job done, this could be your go-to tool. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. The link to grab your own is in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.